I'm loosening up all of the flexi hoses on this mixer now. Okay, I'm loosening the drain pipe on this basin, and now we are going to take the basin off of the wall. So we have this little guy here, which is a plug that will fit into there in a moment. This here will fit through there, and it's got at the back here it's got a hole where it lifts the plug. What happens is we just pre-assemble this. It's got a little rubber seal, super important to have that rubber seal there. This plug comes with two seals. This little seal is for the top, and this seal is for the bottom. So it goes in, like that, and then the bottom seal goes in over there. There's the one seal kind of pulls in, so water doesn't go. It's got these holes for the overflow. Right. So totally legit down here. Hot water, and the new mixer is in, feels pretty good.